The mount on the PDK transmission can break down over time and start to flex more than what it was designed for. At the time of this video, there is no tool made for replacing the mount while the transmission is in the car. Function First Performance offers the most effective and easy to install solution. The durable urethane rubber insert simply slides in to fill and fortify the empty voids of the OEM mount, preventing premature bushing, wearing, and undesirable transmission movement, all while transmitting minimal added noise and vibration. Function First offers 3 hardness levels of inserts. As the inserts get harder, you should expect more road noise and vibrations. Orange is for added performance and to restore and preserve the OEM mount. Yellow is for tuned and sports-oriented performance, and black, which is optimized for track and race cars where you don't mind the noise and vibrations. This image illustrates how the inserts slip into and fills the gaps in the OEM mount. Begin by safely raising and supporting your vehicle, as well as removing the transmission under tray. Please follow the link at the end of this video for additional support with those tasks. You will need to support the transmission with either a floor or screw jack depending on how you raise your vehicle. Place something like a hockey puck or a piece of wood between the jack and transmission, red arrow, and support the weight of the PDK. Use an E20 red arrow and an E24 blue arrow and break loose and remove the mount bolt. You may need to raise the lower jack slightly to free the bolt. Using a 16mm socket, remove the 4 nuts holding the mounting plate, red arrows. As you lower the mounting plate, release the 2 coolant hoses, red arrows, and the 1 fuel line, blue arrow, from their plastic clips. Slide the plate down and out from the PDK mount. Next, remove the 2 16mm nuts on both sides of the cross brace, red arrows. Next, use a 7mm socket and remove the stud that holds the brace to the chassis on both sides. There is a small aluminum block that sits at each end of the cross brace. If these fall out while moving the brace around, be sure to reinstall them. When installing the stud, make sure to screw in the shorter threaded end, red arrow. Slide the cross brace out of the way. Lubricate both transmission mount inserts with a silicone-based lubricant. Liquid dish soap will suffice. Do not use an oil or petroleum-based lubricant, as this may adversely affect the physical properties of the urethane. Orient the inserts so that their respective side walls extend towards the front of the car, then slip them into the OEM bushing from either side until they are fully seated. You will need help seat them with a gentle tap of a mallet. Do the same procedures for both sides. Installation is the reverse of removal. Fully seat the 7mm studs, torque the mounting plate and crossmember nuts to 48 foot-pounds. Torque the mounting bolt to 63 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.